Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum. This is an advanced skin hydration with Hyaluronic Acid Pro complex. My unit looks like this. It is very well loved. It is almost empty. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who has been practicing for over 10 years. I love to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. I am very active on shorts here, so be sure to click that tab as well. There's a lot of content almost on a daily basis during the week. PCA describes this as a serum that delivers essential hydration as the non-negotiable step for everyone seeking healthy, beautiful skin. This hydrating serum isn't just more than moisture, it is smarter, more sustained hydration that works from the inside out. This serum claims to amplify the skin's hyaluronic acid levels by 50% within 24 hours, delivering instant, long-term hydration. PCA's hyaluronic acid boosting serum can be found at pcaskin.com and DERMSTORE. A 1 ounce unit like this retails for $128, and there is a 3 ounce option that retails for, brace yourself, $315. I do use the 3 ounce unit in my treatment room, and it goes a long way. So if you, for example, absolutely adore this product, it's definitely worth the investment. PCA suggests that you apply this serum morning and evening. After cleansing, you want to apply to the entire face and neck morning and evening for maximum skin hydration and plumping. If you are using it during the day, be sure to follow it with your sunscreen. And if you are using it at night, of course, follow it with your favorite PCA skin moisturizer. Hyaluronic acid boosting serum is loaded with some of the best hydrators and anti-agers available. We see ceramides that hydrate, increase suppleness, help strengthen the skin's protective barrier, and improve the look and feel of dehydrated skin. We see hyaluronic acid, a hydrating, anti-aging, antioxidant that boosts your skin's moisture levels, and it also soothes skin. Hyaluronic acid can also defend against moisture loss. We see hydrolyzed glycosaminoglycans that can improve skin elasticity, hydration, and repair. We also see hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid that has a lower molecular weight than hyaluronic acid. The skin absorbs it much easier this way. The lower molecular weight allows it to work on different layers of your skin, as hyaluronic acid is a larger molecule that kind of tends to sit on that top layer of the skin. And when looking for a hyaluronic acid-based serum, I think it's best to look for formulas that contain different forms of hyaluronic acid, such as hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and sodium hyaluronic, which is the salt form of hyaluronic acid. When I first used this serum, I found it to be lightweight, easy to use, and instantly hydrating and plumping to the skin. I did note a bit of a scent here. However, this is fragrance free. The serum spreads easily and effortlessly over the skin, and due to its plumping effects, it helped to diffuse those finer lines on my skin. This does have a bit of a tackiness to it, but once I feel like I apply my moisturizer and sunscreen, that tackiness is gone. I have used a number of hyaluronic acid-based serums over time, and this is by far one of the best that I have tried recently. I like that there are different types of hyaluronic acid to address those different layers of the skin, alongside ceramides and niacinamide and other hydrators. I have used, I think I'm going on my second, or this might be my second unit, and it has worked well for me year round, be it summer, spring, winter, without further congesting my skin, causing breakouts, or irritating my skin. The serum's texture, I feel like, is quite unique, as some of the other hyaluronic acid-based serums that I have used tend to be runny, almost watery. But this, however, has a bit of a thickness to it, which in my 40 years of life, really like. From use, I have noticed instantly hydrated, plumper, smoother skin. This is one of my favorite hyaluronic acids to use, and I do recommend this to my own clients who want to boost hydration and diffuse the signs of aging, and also strengthen that protective barrier. This also contains niacinamide, which helps to minimize transepidermal water loss and improve your barrier function. This also helps to boost my own skin's radiance and also that of my clients. This has worked very well with other ranges, multiple moisturizers and sunscreens, and this worked well with physical and chemical sunscreens with no pilling. And I have used this product with multiple moisturizers, such as water or kind of creamier based moisturizers from Drunk Elephant to Pharmacy to First Aid Beauty and even to PCA Skin itself. Such as the Collagen Hydrator and my favorite, the Rebalancing Moisturizer. I love using this both morning and evening, but my absolute favorite, I think, is definitely daytime. For example, I'll cleanse in the morning after the gym, of course, apply Pharmacy's chamomile essence, which I love. I'll link my review to it up above. And then I'll follow that with my favorite eye cream or eye serum. I'll definitely use 1 pump of Drunk Elephant's C Firma. Follow that with 1 pump of PCA Skin's X Linea Pro Peptide Serum. I will link my review to this up above. This is a beautiful formula of an excellent anti-aging serum with one of the best ingredients available. If you, for example, use injectables, Botox, I feel like this works hand in hand with an injectable or Botox. And then I'd follow that with 1 pump of hyaluronic acid boosting serum. If I'm feeling dry, I'll follow that with Drunk Elephant's Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. But if I'm feeling comfortable with just this level of hydration, I'll stop there and simply apply my sunscreen and I'm ready to go. I would recommend this serum to anyone who is looking to improve hydration, plump the skin, soothe, and strengthen your skin's protective barrier. While I feel that hyaluronic acid can be introduced to the skin at any age, anyone 25 and up should be using a hyaluronic acid-based serum to maintain hydration and prevent premature aging. In your 30s, hyaluronic acid production starts to decline, and if you fail to wear moisturizers or sunscreens, that starts even earlier. So that leads to drier feeling skin. So I feel like everyone needs hyaluronic acid-based serum in their routine. Pros, I feel like this instantly hydrates the skin. It's soothing and smoothing, easy to use, works very well with others, and is an excellent anti-ager. Con, there is one potentially irritating skincare ingredient, and that is rosemary oil. And I think that is the scent that I get whenever I do apply this to the skin. I will say it does not linger, it is not bothersome. I am rating the PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum a 9.5 out of 10. It's a hyaluronic acid based serum that I keep coming back to. I'm almost finished. I think with my first or second unit, I've lost count, and I have of course, got a backup. Because I'm over 40, I think a serum that includes different types of hyaluronic acid is essential to keep my skin hydrated, look, and feel plumper. Let me know if you have used this product by PCA Skin in the comments down below. What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you learned something new. It definitely helps the algorithm. And subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. My life just flashed before me. Skip. I have a hair.